Exercise number 1, dumbbell pullover. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie on a bench holding one dumbbell with both hands. Lower the weight slowly behind your head, stretching the chest and lats. Pull it back over your chest using controlled movement and keep your core tight. Exercise number 2, dumbbell incline hammer press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit on an incline bench with dumbbells in a neutral grip. Press the weights up over your chest while keeping elbows slightly tucked. Lower slowly and feel the contraction in the upper chest. Exercise number 3, dumbbell chest fly. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie on a bench with dumbbells above your chest. Open your arms wide with a slight bend in the elbows. Bring the weights back together, squeezing the chest muscles. Exercise number 4, cable standing crossover. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand between the cables and grab both handles. Pull your arms forward and across your body. Squeeze the chest at the center and return slowly with control. Exercise number 5, barbell bench press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie on the bench and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulders. Lower the bar to your mid-chest. Press up explosively while keeping your feet grounded and core braced.